Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Crazy Gamer. Today in this video we will be learning how to enable screen recording feature while playing Snake.io game. If you want to record your gameplay of Snake.io, then you can easily follow through these steps. Launch open your Snake.io application on your device, and once you're inside this main home page, go to the top left corner and tap on the gear button. From the options provided on the next page, go to the left hand side and you will see an enable recording button. To enable recording for your game, tap on the on button, and right after you do that, you'll be able to enable screen recording feature on Snake.io. So that is how it's super easily done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.